thunderstorm warning for central Prince George County, western Surrey County, northeastern Sussex County, until 5 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:07 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing quarter-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. This storm was located near Disputanta and moving east at 20 miles per hour. The severe thunderstorm will be near Waverly around 4:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Dendron and Wakefield around 4:50 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Barham, Oak Hill Corner, Savage, Albany Corner, Carsley, and Booth Fork. Severe thunderstorms produce damaging wind in excess of 60 miles per hour, destructive hail, deadly lightning, and very heavy rain. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of your home or business. Heavy rains flood roads quickly, so do not drive into areas where water covers the road.
First one today. Get it?
The National